Okay, now here we go, hyping the bees. Sure, turn that off by accident, so now I'm on frame 3 because I turned it off after the first 2, but 2 are in there. Here's the 3rd frame. Beautiful pattern. It's going to go here. Queen is in this cage. Guarantee you can tell, because look how they attack me. I put that cage there. They know. Yeah, don't make me hurt. Sorry, I won't. Here's more nice brood. It's going right here on this edge. One more on the side edge. And then I'm going to put some other comb in here that has drawn out frames. That's after I let the queen in, so I'm going to let the queen in right now. I'm getting really anxious. Everybody wants to see her get in. I don't blame them. Separates apart. I gotta get a new page. This one's alright. Here flying. Here she went. Wow. Right down in there. Boy, that was quick. She's in. And she wanted to go in bad. She's safe now. Everybody's happy.